Welcome back to another episode, guys. Today we're going to be tackling some trails in Idyllwild in Southern California. This is going to be Toll Road Canyon Road up into Indian Creek area. So right now we're just airing down and we're about to get on the trail. Still in two-wheel drive. So far this trail is pretty easy. Probably be done by a Forester with a mild lift or something. You know, nothing too crazy. You can probably do this in a two-wheel drive pickup so far, but keep on trucking. There are some deep ruts, but as long as you know how to drive your rig, you can navigate them. Some great views up here though already. Homestead here. It's kind of cool. Check it out. Got a little tiny baby water crossing here. Roll up the old windows real quick. Pretty deep. I think we're officially off of Idyllwild Control Road, which is the trail we were on, and we're on a branch trail now called Red Hill, which is gonna kind of loop around and take us to some other trails. Looks like a lot of dirt bike activity on this one, so keep my eyes peeled. Just crossed the boundary into San Jacinto Ridge Trail, and I'm gonna be riding this one for a little bit and then hitting Indian Mountain Trail, which is a little branch off of this one, which is supposed to be the hardest trail in this area. It says it's a 7 out of 10 on Onyx, since the one I just did was a 6 out of 10 and I was in two-wheel drive the entire time. Not really expecting it to be too crazy, but we'll see. And it's about 4:30 right now, so gotta start thinking about camp because it's gonna be getting dark here soon. We are right at the trail's yellow post sites are up here, but damn, this spot right here pretty gnarly. Oh god, about rolled the truck right there. All right, let's steer into it a little bit. Hang on, I'm gonna get out and take a look at this, assess it. That's as far as I can open my door. A little step up here. Yeah. Alright, well that log's the only thing keeping me up, so I slid off in this pretty deep ass mud hole here for the max track down. Hopefully that can help me get on through it. Alright, so the plan is I'm gonna winch, do a shack or a snatch block right here, attach it to the culvert, and drag it up out of this hole. And then I'm gonna fill the hole in with some dirt with my shovel, and we'll see if I can get down it without rolling. Well, moved that thing, threw some rocks and dirt in there, and I think we're good. Well, after winching and digging for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, I filled in that spot over there, got down it just fine. The yellow spot that I wanted, there's a Jeep in there, and then they said they have 3 of their buddies coming, so there's no room for me, so I'm trying to find another spot right now. But this is called Fish Creek. Ooh, there's a good looking spot here. A little water crossing here. Should have washed off my max track. Might try to camp this spot tonight if I can figure out a good situation to get into. Only climbed up this little hill. There's a little outcropping up here that I'm gonna be camping at tonight. Tons of bugs, which sucks, but it's got a great view and should be a good view in the morning as well. The red on the mountains there, but already got set up over here cooking steak, burning steak, and bacon wrapped asparagus. Cooking up some steak, some ribeye, and then some bacon asparagus and some cream cheese jalapeno poppers. Sun's going down. Tons of freaking mosquitoes and gnats and shit out here, which sucks, but can't have it all. Was next morning, slept okay. Kept waking up though. When I woke up, my tire was flat back here, so probably because I left my little air down tool on it and it had a slight leak overnight, but aired that back up. And I'm gonna get some coffee going and then get ready to pull out here. Had a spider just rappel down from my shirt, so that's fun. Yeah, spiders. It's a little jumping spider. Left camp, coming down the old trail now. I'm gonna stop here and actually wash my dishes in this little creek. Good opportunity for some running water, so that's well. So this road, I think it's called Indian Creek Road. Indian Canyon. OHB. We're gonna be going up here. Turn right, go up, and then put us out on the highway. And then I'm gonna run down and see if Black Mountain Trail is still gated off. Not planning on hitting it today, but I just want to see if they've opened it for future trips. It's been closed all season, or all winter anyhow, besides in February when I went. But we will go check that out, and yeah, just enjoying this trail. There's a nice little river that runs through this little canyon next to me, and so far it's just a pretty mellow drive out of here. Good little climb here. Let's see, slapped her in 4-wheel drive. Let's get it. Oh yeah, probably gonna need to use 4-low for sure. So on this trail now, we're starting to get back up into the higher elevation, out of like the scrub brush, and more back into the pine trees and such. But we should be coming to an end here. This little trail had a few spots where I had to use 4-low, so be warned, especially if your truck's heavy. If my truck was lighter, I probably could have made it up and just 4-wheel drive, maybe even 2-wheel drive. But mine's super heavy and it was steep, so I had to kick it in 4-low, but she crawled right up it. No locker needed. But we're coming to an end here on this video. Passed some ATV riders earlier. That's the only people I've seen on the trail so far. But yeah, we're almost to the end here. Well, we're back up out of the trail. Gonna air up and get on out of here. Well, just finished airing up and about to hit the highway. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, like and subscribe for more.